Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads. I'm going to use hot pink, black, and white. You're also going to need scissors and some elastic string. I'm going to start with 2 feet, and if you run out, you can always tie more on as you need it. You're also going to need a needle. This is optional, but it helps. Okay, to get started, go ahead and stop the video and get your beads laid out. I have 2 black, white, 2 white, black, white, 2 white, and so on. Once you have those all set up, you can take your 2 feet of string and fold it in half. And we're going to start at the bottom here with the 2 black. 1 bead will go on each side. The next one is white. Both strings will go through. We have white, 1 on each side. Black, both strings will go through. Now we have a white on each side. Black, both strings will go through. 2 black, 1 on each side. And then our last bead is black. Both strings will go through. Now this time, I want you to loosely hold this and pull one side of the string to make most of the string on one side, if that makes sense. So we have a long side and a short side. And then what you can do is pull these bottom beads and pull the long string here. It doesn't have to be perfect. You want to just try to get most of the string on one side. And that's what it looks like. Now the short side, we're just going to add any random bead to hold the string in place while we're working. I'm just going to choose a color we're not using, green. And then on the other side, you can put your needle on if you're going to use it. Okay. We're going to add 2 black beads. 1 right here. The next one is black right here. We're going to add a white. We're going to add a black. Okay, we're going to flip this over and we're going to go through this black. And this time we're going to add 2 white. So we're going to add 1 white here. Another white. And then we're going to add 2 blacks. So 1 here. Okay. Now what we need to do is go down this black here. We need to go down this black bead. Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're trying to make a path to get back to this bead. So we went down these 2. Now we need to go up these 2 and then down this one. And then you can flip it over. Okay, now for this row, we're going to fill in the gaps with black beads. So we need 3. Okay, and now we need to make a path to get back to this bead. So we're going to go down these 2 white up this white and then down the black. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add one black. And what we need to do is take our string and get up to this bead. So you're going to go through all three of these beads. And we're going to add a black, and you're going to go down this bead. And, okay, we're making a path to get over here. So we went up through this bead, and now we're going to go down this one. Okay, now we're going to add one pink, black, pink, and black. Now we need to make a path to get back to this bead, so we're going to go down this black and white, and then we're going to go up the white and black. And now we can go back down this black. For this row, we're going to add 2 white, and 2 black. And we need to make a path to get back to this bead. So we're going to go down these 2 black, we're going to go up the pink and the black, and then we're going to go down this black. Okay, and for this, I'm going to go ahead and take this bead off. Now that we have a few rows, you can tie the string on here. We tied it on that string. Okay, now we're going to add a black, 2 white, and then our last bead is black for this row. And we need to make a path to get back to this bead. So we're going to go down the black and this white. And we're going to go up the white and this black. Down this black. Go ahead and flip it over. For this row, we're going to add 1 white. And then we have 3 black. So here's 1. We need to make a path to get back to this bead. So we're going to go down the black and this pink. Up. We're going to go up these 2 black and then down this one. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add a black, 2 white, a black. And we need to make a path to get back over here. So we're going to go down this black and this white. We'll go up these two. And then down the black. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add a black bead, a white, and then 2 black. And we need to make a path to get back over here. You're going to go down these two. We're going to go up these two. And then down this one. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add black for this whole row. Okay, we need to make a path to get back over here. We're going to go down these 2 white. We'll go up this white and then down this black. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add a black bead, and then we're going to go through all 3 of these beads. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to add this black. Go ahead and go down this black. And then back up. Okay, so we just kind of did a circle. I'm going to go ahead and make a knot here to hold our place. Okay, and this is what it looks like so far. Now we need to make the ears. Okay, for the ears, I went ahead and cut my string off. I tied it and then cut it off. And I'm just going to use what's left. If you don't have that much string left, you can cut some. This is about 8 inches. I don't know that I'll need that much, but better to have more than not enough, right? So go ahead and fold that in half. And we're going to take 3 black beads and put them on the string. And then we're going to take 1 black bead and both strings will go through. And just like before, go ahead and hold this loosely and then pull the other side to get most of the string on one side. And it should look like this. And this might be a little tricky. If you need to, you could tie a random string or bead on here to hold your place, but I'm just going to try to put my needle on while I hold the string. Okay, there we go. Now you can add 1 black bead, and we're going to go through all 3 of these beads. Okay, so we added this one, and we're going to go through all 3 beads. Go ahead and flip it over, and we're going to add another black. And then this time, you're going to take your string and tie it. So we're making this little triangle. Okay, and now we're going to take our needle and go through this bead, and we're going to add 3 black beads. And this time, we're going to go down all 3 of those beads here. And this is what it should look like. Now stop the video because you need to make another one of these, and then I'll show you how to attach both of them. Okay, I already have one of my ears on. Now I'm going to show you how to attach this one. we're going to do is go through this bead here. We're going to go up through these two. And then we're going to go down these two. I'm just going to take this little string and pull it through this bead. So we have 3 beads on the ear, and then we have 3 beads here. And all we're doing is weaving back and forth to connect them. Now what I want to do, you could tie it on this existing string, but I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to go up this bead. I'm going to make a path to get back over to this string to tie it. That way I only have one knot, but it's up to you. I'm going to go down these two. And then up this black. And then these strings meet together. And then you can tie this. Now this one's a little tricky, so if you made it, congratulations. And if you wanted to make them a little pointy, you can kind of pull on this top bead. And I think if you had black string, that would help hide some of it. So if you have black, I would recommend, this is an afterthought. It still looks good with the white, but I think the black would look even better. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.